Hi students, today we can study from chapter 12 some formulas. First one is arc. What is arc? If you draw one circle just like, then this A, B, C. This ACB, this length is known as arc. Arc of the circle. Arc means one part of a circle. Then is center O. If you make two radius OA, OB, we can make in here one angle. We can say that is theta, 30 or 60, anything. Okay. Then how can find out length of arc? This ACB. We will use one formula. Length of arc. The name we can give ACB, arc, ACB, use this symbol. That formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. That is formula for length of arc. Theta means in here angle, 2 pi r. R means a radius of this circle. Then the first formula. Second formula is sector. Sector means if you shade this region, this part, only this part. Okay. The shaded region is known as minor sector. Minor sector. Then no shaded region. That one we can say major sector. Minor sector and major sector. Then area of sector equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. This is for area of sector. In here theta is this angle, then r means a radius. Then for minor sector and major sector, same formula only we will use. But if you consider major sector, that time angle will, this will be this total. That will be angle of that major sector. Okay, formula is equal. Now, next, perimeter of sector. Perimeter of sector equal to, how can find out perimeter of sector? From here, what is this? This is length of arc, isn't it? Then this is radius, again one more radius. That means length of arc plus 2 radius. Length of arc. What is the name of arc in this question? ACB. We can give ACB. Okay, length of arc ACB plus 2 into r. R means radius equal to length of arc. Already we have studied one formula. This formula, isn't it? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. This is length of arc plus 2r. The same 2r. This is the formula for perimeter of sector. Okay. Three formulas. First, length of an arc, that is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Then area of sector, theta by 360 into pi r square. Then after, perimeter of sector, that is length of arc, ACB plus 2r. Length of arc, already you have studied this one, theta by 360 into 2 pi plus 2r. Then, segment. Let's consider one circle. Then the center. If you draw one chord, one line, one chord, this part, this downside region, the shaded region, we can say minor segment The downside part is known as minor segment. Then no shaded region. This one is known as major segment. Major segment is minor segment, then major segment. Then two segments dividing by one chord. Chord means one line. Okay. Then how we can find out area of this segment? Make it 1, 2 radius. We can also sure you will get one angle theta. We can write area of segment. Area of segment equal to area of sector. And here sector name we can say OA given name. OACB. OACB. This is total area of sector. Sector means all total. Then minus area of, AR means area of triangle. Triangle, one triangle you can see OAB. This is the formula for area of segment. First find out area of sector total. This one, area of sector. And then minus area of this triangle. That is this part. But you will get the shaded region only, isn't it? That is area of minus segment. We can use that formula. Area of sector minus area of triangle. That respective triangle. Then we can see exercise 12.2, question number 1. Find the area of a sector of a circle with a radius 6 centimeter if angle of the sector is 60 degree. Solution. What are things given? We can write that given values first. Given radius given. We can write R equal to radius of circle is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Then one angle of sector also given, that is 60 degree. These two things given in here. Our question, we have to find out area of a sector. Area of sector. Area of sector already was studied one formula, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta by 360. This pi r square is area of circle, isn't it? Very easy to remember. Theta by 360 only extra. Pi r square is area of circle, isn't it? Then theta means in here 60 degree divided by 360 into pi means 22 by 7 into r 6. 0 and 0 cancel. Then 36 and 6. One time in here 6 times. We can write 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 6 square. 6 square we can write 6 into 6. Cut it? 1 6 equal to multiple 22 into 6. 22 into 6. 6 into 2, 12. Remainder 1. Again 6 into 2, 12 plus 1, 13. 132. Divide by 1, 7 is there. We can write 7 centimeter square. In here, no need to divide. This is our answer. Only one thing you have to understand, this formula. Study by heart. Okay. Area of sector, theta by 360 into pi r square. If you study this formula by heart, means very easy to do this problem. Nothing is there. Everything given directly in this question. Now we can see question number 2. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. What is quadrant? So the one circle is center, then 2 diameters. Okay. If you cut this circle this like using by 2 diameters, you will get 4 equal parts. We need 4 equal parts. That one part. This part. This part is known as quadrant of this circle. Then we can do this problem. Given In question already they are given circumference of circle. Circumference. What is circumference formula? That is 2 pi r equal to 2 pi r equal to 22. This 22. Okay. Circumference given, that formula is 2 pi r equal to 22. From here we can find out radius. 2 pi value means 22 by 7 into r equal to 22. Then all the terms, this 22 by 7 bring to right side, r equal to 22 into the 7 become 7 divided by this 2 and 22 will come denominator part, 22 cancel, r equal to remaining 7 by 2. This is our radius. Now area of quadrant. Area of quadrant. Area of quadrant equal to, area of quadrant is pi r square. What is this? This is area of circle. One circle we are dividing 4 equal parts. Then only we will get one quadrant. That means area of quadrant means pi r square divided by 4. Just divide by 4. That means area of one quadrant equal to pi means 22 by 7 into r. R square means 7 by 2 all square, all divided by this 4. Equal to 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 all square, we can write 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 all divided by this 4. This 7 and 7 we can cancel, and then 2 and 22 11 times, and remaining we can write 11 into 7 by 2 into this 4 bring to upside, that will be 1 by 4. Then 11 into 7, 77 divided by 2 into 4 will get 8. 77 by 8 centimeter square, that is our answer, area of quadrant. Now we can do question number 3. The length of minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. Find the area set by the minute hand in 5 minutes. This is like one clock. One clock. The length of minute hand up to here, that is 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. Then after 5 minutes, I'm just taking after 5 minutes, this minute hand will reach in here. It is the same. Then we have to find out this area of this region. That is our question. What is this? This is area of sector. Sector only, isn't it? Then we can write given a length of minute hand. What is this? If you consider this circle, this is length of minute hand. That is radius only, isn't it? We can say r. Radius equal to 14 centimeter. This length already given in question also, that is 14 centimeter. We can consider that is a radius. Then minute hand rotate in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, the minute hand, how much angle will make? This angle how much? We have to find out. That is theta angle, we don't know how much. Then first, if you consider the circle total angle, how much? Angle of a circle 360 total, 360 degree. Okay. Divided by, in 1 hour, how many minutes is there? Total 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour, isn't it? Then 360 divided by 60. If you do 360 divided by 60, you will get angle of 1 minute. Only 1 minute. Okay. Then we need 5 minutes. That's why multiple by 5. Cut it 0 and 0. 36 and 6 times. 6 into 5, 30. Theta equal to 30. Then area of sector equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 30, 360, then 22 by 7, then r means 14 square. Cut it, this 2, 0 0 cancel, in 3 one time, 1 2 using by 3, then 1 by 12 into 22 by 7 into 14 square, that is 14 into 14, 2 times we can write 14, then 7 and 14 cancel, in 14 7 2 times, this 2 cancel, using by 2, 6, again 6 and 14 cancel, using by 2, in here 3 will come, in here 7, equal to 22 into 7, 22 into 7, 14 remainder 1, 7 into 2 14 plus 1 15, 154, all divided by, what is the remaining denominator part, that is 3, 154 divided by 3 centimeter square, that is area set by the minute hand in 5 minutes, isn't it? Then we can write same thing in here, area set by the minute hand in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. This answer, this part we can write. Keep in mind why I took area of sector. This figure, this is sector only. We have to find out area of the sector. Then only one thing, this part. Minute rotate in 5 minutes. Okay, minute hand, not minute hand. Minute hand rotate in 5 minutes. We can write 360 total angle in a circle. 360. That's 360. 60 means in 1 hour 60 minutes. Then 360 divided by 60 if you are doing means angle of 1 minute you will get. Okay. We need 5 minutes. That's why multiple by 5. That means this 30 degree is angle of 5 minutes. Keep in mind, this is very important part. Then using by area of sector formula, do it everything, you will get 154 by